Guys, welcome to the free automation learning and my name is Chirag. So today we will discuss about a action class. So today agenda would be introduction of action class, difference between action and action. It is a very important question which is mostly interviewer will ask you about what is the difference between action and actions and how we use action class in Selenium. So I will show you the syntax and I will also write the code about how we can use action class in Selenium. So what would be the advantage of using action class? So why we use action class? So we will discuss in this video also. And last point is introduction of method which are commonly used. So we will discuss about them each method, important method we will use in live project or we will use in Selenium by using this action class. So in this I will just discuss this click and hold, drag and drop, but in further video I will show you each and every method in a separate video, right? So let me introduce by the action class. So what is the action class? Action class is a class by which Selenium guys provide us method. By using this method we can handle mouse hover, we can handle right click, we can handle drag and drop functionality. So such kind of methods are given in this action class. So let me show you in the Selenium what is the action class. So let me create a new class. That would be a tutorial 31, and I will give here a WebDriver. Will create a setup method. In this we will invoke Firefox. Driver is equal to new Firefox driver, and after that we will create a method public void intro action. So let me show you syntax of action class. How will create an object of this action class? So this would be a actions. Just let me actions and control space. So you can see this actions class is inside under org openqa Selenium interactions because it interact with the keyboard and it will interact with the mouse. So this class would be inside of this package. Let me implement this package. Now I'm going to create a actions object reference new actions. Here I'm going to create a object. So you can see that there would be a 3 constructor which displays by actions. So by using keyword we can create an object, by using WebDriver we can create an object, or by using keyboard and mouse we can create an object. Here we are using by using WebDriver. By using WebDriver we can create the object of action class. So this would be the syntax of actions class, right? Let me show you this. So this is our action class, right? Inside with the package org openqa Selenium interactions, and this is the action class which provide 3 constructor. This is a constructor. Guys who do not know about the constructor, please go and watch my video about the constructor, and this is the basic core Java concept. So these are 3 basic constructor which provided in this class. You can see and rest are the method. By using this method we can implement or we can design our code. So you can see there is would be a click and hold method and release method. So this would be all this actions class. So what is the actions class? Actions class, by using action class we can interact we can interact by mouse or keyboard, and we can just go for mouse movement. We can right click, we can hover my mouse to the any web element. So by using this actions class we can use this method. Now let me show you how we can do. So this would be my object actions. I will call this. Now I am going to, suppose I have to double click, so I just give double click, and now I will give perform. So guys, this perform method is very mandatory. If you do not use this perform method, then your code will not execute for the this action class. Perform method is mandatory, right? So this, by using this perform method we can execute our double click action. If I do not put this perform method here, then my double click action would not be performed by my script. So we have to perform this method, right? Now I will go to the implement of this method. You can see this implement method is inside of action class. If I will go this perform, it will interact with this action. So what is a action? Action is an interface. And what is a actions class? Action class is a class which has the method. So my this point is clear now, right? Difference between action and actions class. So you can see this action is an interface and action is a class, right? Now I will go how we can use this actions class. Let me change this. How we can use action class. So this point would be clear by this. By using this syntax we can perform actions class methods. Suppose there are multiple actions we have to perform. For multiple actions we use build dot perform method. What does it means? Suppose there would be a actions, and now I have to mouse to web element. There would be web element value will be xyz, right? I just giving a demo to you. This move to element means it move our mouse cursor to that element. We will discuss this method later, but now you will understand the syntax. And now I have to click at this condition where we have to perform multiple action. At that time we have to use build dot perform. By using this build we are going to build means we are combined our multiple actions, and perform means we have to perform that action at that particular web element or script. So this would be the syntax of the action class. Now advantage of action class: by using a actions class we can overcome or we can interact with the application as human can interact. Suppose it would be a right click, so we, by using action class we can go for the right click. If there would be a tooltip, by using action class we can validate the tooltip is present or not. So by using action class we can interact as much as user interact with the application. So this is the advantage of action class. Now introduction of method. What would be the methods are commonly used? So there are, let me show different method in this. Suppose there is a actions. So this build, click and hold, this all are the method which has the different parameter and different uses, right? So click and hold means when we have to click any particular web element and hold it, so we can use this method. I will show later video how we can use this. Drag and drop, where we have to drag and drop any element, we can use this. Move by element or move by offset are the same, they are just offset, we have to give the xy value, and move to element we have only give the web element where we have to move our cursor, right? Context click means right click, when we have to right click then we can use this context click method. Key down, suppose we have to press control or any other keyboard key, then we can use key down. Double click, as this method suggests that double click means in some way, some application we need to double click on web element to open it, or double click to make it editable. So this is our scenario. So by using this action class we can use double click method. So guys, this is the about all the action class, and hope you understand this. And in further video I will discuss every method which I have show you there, how we can use different method by using action class. This video just for the introduction of actions class and what is the difference between action and actions. Action is a class and actions is an interface, and I have show you all the action class code and actions interface. So hope you like this video, and I will create a new video for this click and hold and other methods. Till then, bye bye.